A printer showing offline when it is clearly on is a classic annoyance. In this video, we will explain how to fix printer offline errors in Windows. This frustrating problem usually has a simple solution. First, check the basics. Make sure the printer is turned on, has paper and ink, and is connected, whether by cable or to your Wi-Fi network. Restart both the printer and your computer, which clears many temporary glitches and often fixes the offline status instantly. Next, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, and select your printer. Make sure it is not set to use printer offline mode, and try setting it as the default printer. Open the print queue and clear any stuck print jobs, which can cause the printer to appear offline. Run the built-in printer troubleshooter for guided help. For network printers, make sure both the printer and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Update your printer drivers through the manufacturer's software or Windows Update. If problems continue, remove the printer and add it again fresh. Working through these steps almost always brings your printer back online, ready to print whenever you need it.